be on stage with Ballet Philippines is never in my wildest dreams.
Sobrang nabusog ako sa maraming aspect. Spiritually, in terms of knowledge. Kasi after watching it, mas, alam mo, mas may sense ka, na may value pa, pinapahalagan mo yung pagiging Pilipino.
I think we have more Bonifacios pa rin eh. Waiting for the proper timing and lalabas sila.